In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your smart contracts to MetaMask using just your browser. No real crypto, no backend required, and perfect for beginners. Whether you're diving into the world of blockchain for the first time or looking to practice without dealing with transactions, this guide has got you covered. And remember, it works with any EVM network, so you're not limited in any way. Plus, there's no need for deploying actual smart contracts or spending any cryptocurrencies. We'll keep it simple using HTML and JavaScript. First things first, we need to ensure that your MetaMask wallet is ready to go. So let's start by opening up MetaMask and unlocking your wallet. This might be a step you're already familiar with, especially if you've used MetaMask before. Just enter your password and make sure it's all set for the next steps. If you haven't installed MetaMask yet, you'll want to do that first. But once you're in, we'll be ready to proceed. Next, open up your browser and head over to one of the following websites: codepen.io or jsfiddle.net. These online tools are fantastic for us because they allow for quick and easy HTML and JavaScript execution without needing a full-fledged development environment. Simply type in the URL and hit enter. If you're working on a different platform regularly, feel free to use that one instead, as long as it lets you execute JavaScript efficiently. Now that you're on one of these platforms, you'll need to paste a bit of code to simulate the connection of your smart contract. When you paste the code into the HTML or JavaScript area, it sets up a virtual environment for you to test interactions as you would with an actual blockchain connection. The great thing about this is that you can see how everything functions without the risk of losing real crypto or having to manage a backend. Once your code is in place, all you have to do is click the designated button. This button will prompt MetaMask to connect, simulating the process of connecting a smart contract to MetaMask. Be sure to approve the connection when MetaMask asks for your permission. Approving the connection is a crucial step, as it mimics the real-life action of granting access to a decentralized application. And there you have it. In just a few quick and easy steps, you've successfully simulated a smart contract connection using MetaMask. This approach is an excellent way for beginners to practice Web3 integrations and learn the ropes of using MetaMask with other platforms. Keep experimenting and have fun exploring this fascinating world of blockchain technology. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!